Hello students, let us continue our chapter from your English book. In the previous class, I have taught you the first page of your first chapter, and today we are going to learn the second page from your first chapter. Okay, let us read. There was a roundabout, full swing. What is roundabout? See, I'll show you this one. Okay, this one, it is called roundabout. Roundabout full swing. Man, woman, and children were laughing and shrieking madly as they went round and round in it. So, what is roundabout? You usually find it in the melas. Okay, so these are round circles, and there were seats made of two people can sit in one box, and it used to go very high. It used to move clockwise high above the ground. This is called roundabout. So in the roundabout they used to there were many people. They were sitting, they were shouting and laughing and shrieking as the roundabout was moving. Sohan watched them, his lips parted in amazement. And a pink blush of smile came on his face. So Sohan, he was looking at them. Okay, his mouth was open. His lips parted means his mouths were open. He watched them with open mouth. He was so much amazed, and a pink blush came. His cheeks became a little pink because he was happy and he was smiling, looking at the enjoyment of the people. This time Sohan made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. This time, before that, Sohan wanted to eat sweets. Sohan wanted to buy balloons. Sohan wanted to see the snake charmer playing his flute. But all were disapproved by his father. His father did not agree in any of this, and he also followed his father quietly. But this time Sohan wanted to go very much to the roundabout. So he made a bold request, means he made a strong request to his father. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. So he requested his father, mother, please, I want to go to the roundabout. There was no reply. He turned to look for his parents. They were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign. So he requested his father and mother to send him to the roundabout. But his father and mother didn't reply. So he turned back and he saw that they were not there. His mother, father, his parents were not with him. Then he looked around, he looked behind, he looked beside, everywhere. They were nowhere to be seen. His parents were nowhere to be seen. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body he ran from where he stood, crying in fear, mother, father. So a full deep cry rose within his dry throat, means suddenly when he saw that his parents were not him, a fear born in his heart. Okay, and he suddenly started crying loudly and running from there. He was crying, mother, father, he was crying. Okay, and he was running here and there. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fire means very much. There were a lot of tears. He was crying very badly. He ran to one side first, then to the other, not knowing where to go. He ran the right side, then again the left side, then in the front, again in the back side. He did not know where to go. He did not know what to do because he could not see his parents. He was crying again and loud. Even little inch of space in the fairground was crowded with people. Sohan might have been crushed underfoot had he not cried in a loud voice, father, mother. So the marketplace was very much full of people. The fair, okay, where the mela was held, it was full of people. Everywhere there were, see there are a lot of people in the photo, you can see. So there were a lot of people, and each inch of ground was covered with people. So if he did not cry loudly, father and mother, he would have been crushed underfoot. Means if he fell down, people had crushed him Okay, he would get injured. A man heard his cry and bending down with great difficulty lifted his arm in his arms. So a man, when he Sohan cried loudly about father, mother, then a man saw him and he lifted him in his arms. How did you get there, child? Whose baby are you? Then the man asked him, how did you get here? यहाँ कैसे पहुँचे? Whose baby are you? आप किसके बच्चे हो? आपके पेरेंट्स कहाँ हैं? Okay, the man asked him. उस आदमी ने उससे पूछा. Sohan wept more and cried, I want my mother, I want my father. So Sohan cried and cried. वो रोता रहा. Then he said, I want my mother, I want my father. The man tried to comfort him by taking him to the roundabout. So the man, what he did not know what to do. So he to keep the child calm. What he did, he told him, come on Sohan, let's go to a roundabout. But will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked. Sohan thought into 1,000 souls, but Sohan did not reply anything. That he just cried and cried. Listen to that nice music, Sohan, he pleaded when they reached the juggler. So juggler, he was playing some music and he was juggling, he was showing his tricks. Okay, but Sohan did not want to see anything. He just cried and cried. Would you like a balloon? He asked lovingly. So that man was very kind man. Okay, he asked lovingly that, do you like a balloon? But Sohan just sobbed. What sewage would you like, Sohan? The man asked. Would you like a balloon? He asked lovingly. But Sohan just sobbed. What sweets would you like? So he did not like balloons, he did not like sweets, but earlier he liked all these things. His parents were they were with him, he wanted these sweets, he wanted to buy the balloons, but now as his parents were not there, he was afraid, he was crying and he did not want anything. Sohan turned his face away from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. So Sohan did not like any sweets now. His favorite sweet was barfi, but Sohan did not like the barfi now. He only want to be with his mother and father. Okay, so that's all. So what did you learn from this chapter? You learned from this chapter that a little child, okay, he wants many things, but for him the most important is what? His parents, his mother and father. Okay, so that's all. Check in your assignment section for your homeworks. Thank you.